just rudeness level 2, like taking your receipt, doing this, and like this is the grammatical thing. She did that. I'm like, can I have my receipt? She's like, no, you don't need it. Hey guys, running Kimono here. So here we have Walgreens. I found some clearance today. I went to a store that I normally don't usually shop at, and I did my little deal, the one that I'm suggesting if you don't have any boosters to do, and it worked perfectly. And then I found some clearance, so I'm gonna show you guys that. And then over at Rite Aid, oh my gosh, I did 2 little deals. Thank you to Ravi. These are amazing with the 10 off of 40, and it's 100% credit to him. I could not piece together these deals without him, so he is really awesome. And then the weather report for you guys. Well, today it's 90 degrees. Hi to my mom if she's watching. It's really, really hot. So yesterday it's 50, and then today it's 90, so go and figure that one out. So as I was saying, guys, I made a little matchup first thing this morning, just in case you don't have any boosters and you still want some inexpensive Olay. Let's just jog through this. The body washes are 2 for $12. So they're $6 a pop, and the toothbrush is 3 on the nose. So the total for this is $15. And then we have digitally a 4 off a 2, and then a $2 off for either the Oral-B toothbrush or alternatively the Crest toothpaste. It is your choice. You'll pay 9 out of pocket, get back a $5 store coupon. So it makes it $4 for the 3 or $1.33 per product. That's pretty good for this stuff. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, you can absolutely do that. And I mean, it's just terrific to get this stuff for such a cheap price, especially when Olay is on the line. So as I was saying, guys, the store I was visiting today, I normally never shop at this one store. I shop at a different location, and the cashier was not in the best of moods, and she's always really cranky, like really not nice. And I don't know if that's just her thing or whatever, but today it was no exception. And I was doing 100% digital. I paid the balance with points. So it's not like I showed up there with like 50,000 coupons. And I've never done it at this one location, but she was just angry from go, and it was really like not pleasant. And she took my receipt when I was done and then crumpled it up and threw it in the garbage. And then I'm like, I need my receipt. And she's like, no, you don't. And I'm like, what do you mean? No, I don't. Yes, I do, and I would like to have my receipt. So she fished it out of the garbage, and she was swearing. It was just like the greatest hits of how not to be a cashier. And I'm gonna actually do this survey for her, and it's not gonna be pleasant because, I mean, come on, I just want my receipt. I wanna get in and out. And this is not like a huge haul. It's just, you know, pretty minuscule, but she was so irritated with me, and I did nothing. Like, I went in there and bought some stuff. Craziness. But I just wanna say, if you guys are going through the motions sometimes with a really angry cashier, I totally am with you, and I was there today. It was just weird. Anyhow, just to show you what I bought, and their clearance section was pretty stacked, and I kind of understand why, like who would want to shop there. This is the AT&T, the prepaid cell phone. Now, this guy was on clearance, I think like a month ago in most markets, but I still found one in the clearance section for $3.49. And this sort of item, like if you wanted to flip on eBay or Amazon or even on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, you probably could get 20 bucks. And I'll show you the UPC here in a second. And always open up to double, triple check that the phone is in fact there. Next item, and this was pretty significant, is the this Swiffer. So this is for a web pack, so it's for that purple monster. And $9.99 down to $1, and nobody wanted it. And like, I kind of understand why. Just because the cashier is not very friendly at this store, and I mean, in and out, get your stuff, and don't even look too closely. But for $1, I mean, that's a crazy price point. With this, customer service wasn't so great, but I will take care of that. Not that I expect, you know, for them to whip out a red carpet for me when I walk in the store. These people don't know who I am either. But it's just, rude, just rudeness level 2, like taking your receipt, doing this, and like this is the grammatical thing. She did that. I'm like, can I have my receipt? She's like, no, you don't need it. And I'm like, how do you know what I need and don't need? I want my receipt, please, and now. Thank you so much. And she was like, and then she threw it back at me. So it was a really interesting day. Good luck with the clearance finds, and this is a fire deal if you do not have any boosters. Oh, and to answer one last question about this, it's Olay or Old Spice, and please make sure you're scanning the barcodes because some of this stuff is not included and you want your digital coupons to attach. I will leave a video at the very end on how to scan stuff at Walgreens to make sure digital coupons are in fact attaching. So that was Walgreens. We're at Rite Aid today. It was really fantastic. I actually had the manager of the store ring me up, and he was so friendly and so nice and not bad looking either. It was a really good experience. So I'm just going to talk about this first off. It's by this company called Carex, and this guy was $55.99 using the 10 off of 40 coupon. You can either scan it from the ad, screenshot, whatever. It was $44.99, and then you get back $50 of bonus cash. Now the limit for that is, I believe, you could do it up to 4 times. This stool is a little harder to find, and I was in a town that I normally don't shop at, so hey, I got one of these and I rolled a whole bunch of bonus cash to make sure that none of it will expire. Another thing that a lot of Rite Aid shoppers were finding last week, and I could not track any down locally, and last week was kind of a slow week to Rite Aid. So it is with these Stay Clean hand sanitizers. So I believe they're 2 for $1.99, and then we have Freshness Stickers. So I got all 6 for free. They had a whole bin of them. I only grabbed 6. I think the limit around here is that you can use either 7 or 10 of these. So I just grabbed 6. I wasn't going to go too crazy. And they do expire in July, but I was very happy with this. And this is manufactured in the United States as well. I know people will probably ask that. So really delighted with that. My big haul, and again, I just kind of mirrored what Ravi did. So the Sour Patch, the big head ones, or the bigger head, and then these Swedish Fish assorted, and I will link Ravi's video if you would like to check it out because he gets into everything in store. I was trying to cruise in and out because I was wearing a hoodie today and it was like, you know, 90 degrees, so I'm like, oh, it's hot right now. So I just wanted to get in and out of the store because I was like hot. Physically hot, not like hot lady. So I got 4 of these and then 2 of these for a total of 6. They're $2 a pop. And then when you buy it in an increment of 12 bucks, there's like a monthly, a weekly, and some other one where it's like a triple dip and you get back $9, which is really fantastic. Pairing it with the 10 off of 40, that's some magic. And then with the M&Ms, these are my favorite, M&Ms with peanuts, and just the peanut butter one is hubby's favorite. So these guys are $3 a pop, so for 4 of them, that's 12 bucks. I used 2 of these from coupons.com. And then I think I got back 8 bucks, and that's another Ravi one, and it was like a double dip. And then on Shopkick, I think there's 450 points back when you buy this goofy one. So that will be another $1.80. So it made it a complete freebie. So that is pretty cool. Now this is a deal I absolutely love with the Hello deodorant. And I think you can do this, read the tags guys, but I think it's up to 4 times. So I'm gonna be on the hunt for more of this. These guys are $7.99. Buy 1, get 1 free, and then get back $5 of bonus cash when you buy 2. And this is some pretty fancy deodorant. And then the final thing I got to get my basket right to 240 was these. It's 2 for 2 and then $1 back when you buy 2. And then there's like 200 points back from Shopkick for this, so it's like an extra $1 back, so it makes it free. And then you get $1 of bonus cash as well. So for all of this stuff, guys, for the M&Ms, the Sour Patch, the Twix, and the deodorant, it was like $41.98. I got the cashier to scan the 10 off of 40, or the manager to scan the 10 off of 40, and then I presented 2 of these coupons. So the new total was $28.65. and I just rolled the bonus cash on my store card. And then I got back $28 in bonus cash. I got 10 for the hello. For every 2 that you're buying, you're getting back 5. I got back 9 for the candy. Visit Ravi's page for the details on that. It's like a triple dip. It's 3 different, like a monthly, a weekly, and something else. And then I got 8 back for the M&Ms for both a weekly and a monthly promotion. And then I got $1 back for the Twix. So that's a total of 28. So 65 cents for all of this. But hang on to your hat. Shopkick is gonna give me back like $1.80 for this and $1 for this. So it makes it like a free haul after everything is said and done. And that is like totally amazing. So isn't it bizarre that like Rite Aid, flawless, perfect, have the manager of all people ringing me up and it is like awesome. And then there it was like really not so great. But it's not gonna stop me because you know what? Not everybody in life will like you. It just is what it is. And you just take the rolls with the punches. I've dealt with so many rude cashiers in my 10+ years. And then I have other stores where, you know, you meet a manager who's like so cool and you're like, I think I'm gonna shop here every day. So anyhow, guys, and I'm still laughing about it too. Like I'm not gonna like, you know, sit in my bathtub and cry like this lady. I'm gonna be cool about it because you just don't let this stuff break your day because it's just not worth it at the end of the day, you know? It just is what it is. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.